is going on, everybody? 6 a.m. February 8th, 2022. Taking a look here at Tesla and the NASDAQ futures. Bright and early this morning on this Tuesday, we are looking here at a Tesla chart on TradingView. Not too much going on here with Tesla. We're kind of in a waiting phase here. So yesterday, February 7th, we closed down, looks like 15.98 points, down 1.73%. Pretty wide trading range yesterday, high of 947, low of 902. What do I see on the charts here for the short term with Tesla? Well, we do still have the price gap here between January 28th and January 31st. Small gap, but still a price gap. I mentioned in prior videos that price gaps tend to go get filled, whether that's now or later. Keep that in the back of your mind. Could happen. So we have a price gap. Number two is we have a Fibonacci level very close to where we are trading at right now. This yellow horizontal line on my chart is the 0.236 Fibonacci level, and that price area is 898.56. 898.56. That is right there. You can also tell that this whole trading range right here from about, let's see, January 24th up until yesterday, February 7th, we have been ping-ponging up and down around that Fibonacci level. So that is an area that we are probably going to be stuck at for a little while now. It looks like we have found support there, which is good, which is what we want to see. And then the price will at some point rise here. But like I said, we have the price gap between the 28th and the 31st. So if we head lower and fill that gap, which I don't think is going to happen, but like I said, if it does start to take place, then you can't ignore it. But that's just my thoughts, is we'll find support at this fib level and we'll start to trend higher here, putting in a higher high above the January 26th high of 987.69. So that's kind of what I see here for Tesla. You just got to have some patience here. We have long Tesla orders working in the market. They are above the current price. We need some more upside confirmation for Tesla before we put some money into this stock. But for right now, patience is the play. You can see the NASDAQ on the right-hand side of my screen is about to roll over, or at least be flat for the morning here. We were up before. We are now slowly rolling over. We are only up 2.25 points. That will obviously weigh on Tesla itself. So we will see here. Like I said, we have the price gap. We also have the Fibonacci level where we're stuck at right now. So, and then we also have the NASDAQ. So we have a couple things playing out here. On the positive side, we did find support at the 200-day as of now, but perhaps we have a little bit more of a sideways choppy price action before Tesla will head higher here. So on the upside, you can look for these Fibonacci levels as areas that price potentially will either bump its head or find support. So above us, we have the 0.382 at 964. And then above that, we have 1017. Then we have the 0.618, 1071, the 786, 1146. So took the swing high to the swing low on your charts. That gives you these Fibonacci levels on Tesla. If we do even a more zoomed out approach here, you can see that we have much, much, much higher price targets for Tesla. But in the short term, we need to get above the Fibonacci levels that we're out now. And the first one to the upside is the 0.382, which is at 964.48. But taking a more of a longer term approach, assuming the general market does not roll over, you can expect $1,500, $1,900, all the way up to potentially $2,700 Tesla. So all of these low prices are just a bunch of noise right now. Patience are going to be the play right now, and obviously have been since we hit this high here on November 4th. So we just continue to allow our orders to be in the market working, and if the price skyrockets, they will get filled. If the price continues sideways to lower, those prices will be adjusted as they need. Of course, those are posted on Patreon. Excuse my phone in the background, and that is what we are looking for here. So for today, keeping an eye on the 0.236 at 898.56. Doesn't mean too much, but it'd be nice to obviously see the price find support there. And it looks like 2 days ago we did. But right now we are just playing the whipsaw game around this Fibonacci level, which can happen before the price breaks either to the upside or to the downside. But it is nice to see this gap down here between the 28th and the 31st not being a giant gap. It is still a price gap. It kind of looks like a breakaway gap because on the 28th was a massive support day, and then showing follow-through strength on the 31st. So we will see. But if you look back over to this time frame, right here is October 22nd and October 25th. That was a very large gap in price. But you could see that we had a very nice run to the upside for eventually rolling over and filling that gap. Right in this time frame, we filled that gap, and then we're able to continue higher. But we do have some gapping going on in Tesla. Like I said, there's the one below the market. So, all right, keep your eye on that fib level. It's at 898.56. And then to the upside, we have the 964.48. Very short term for Tesla, but patience are the play right now. If the overall market does not roll over this year, then you can expect much, much higher Tesla prices to come. So have some patience. Be careful out there. Markets are a bit volatile right now, and Tesla is an expensive product if you are trading leverage. Even if you are trading stock, smart play would be to have some kind of a stop, protective stop in place. All right, everybody, Patreon links are in the video description. Have a great day. I will catch you guys in the next video. All right, guys, take care.